Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of nature's treasures for your well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of cloves, a spice that not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also packs a powerful punch regarding health benefits. Discover why cloves are a hidden gem for your overall well-being. Cloves are a popular spice used in cooking and a powerhouse of health benefits. These tiny aromatic flower buds contain antioxidants, essential oils, vitamins, and minerals that can work wonders for your health. From boosting immunity to promoting digestion, cloves have much to offer to enhance your overall wellness. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress and various health issues. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, such as eugenol, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Incorporating cloves into your diet gives your body the extra support to stay healthy and vibrant. When it comes to immunity, cloves are a true powerhouse. They are packed with antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties to help strengthen your immune system and ward off infections. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat colds, coughs, and other respiratory ailments. Adding cloves to your daily routine can boost your immune system and protect you from common illnesses. But cloves' benefits don't stop there. These tiny spice buds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and digestive issues. Cloves are also believed to aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. So why wait? Start reaping the benefits of cloves today by incorporating them into your daily routine. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, add them to your favorite curry, or brew them into a soothing tea, there are countless ways to enjoy their health-boosting properties. Your body will thank you for it. Antioxidants in cloves, unveiling their health benefits. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of the nutrition world, swooping in to protect your cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and oxidative stress. And when it comes to antioxidants, cloves are a true powerhouse. Let's delve into the world of antioxidants in cloves and discover how they can profoundly impact your health and well-being. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to oxidative stress and damage that can contribute to various health issues, including inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases. Antioxidants are crucial in neutralizing these free radicals, preventing them from causing harm and keeping your cells healthy and functioning optimally. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, with one of the critical compounds being eugenol. Eugenol is a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. By scavenging free radicals and reducing inflammation, eugenol in cloves can help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. In addition to eugenol, cloves are a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in boosting the immune system, promoting skin health, and supporting collagen production. Vitamin C works with other antioxidants in cloves to combat oxidative stress and keep the body in top shape. Cloves' antioxidants work synergistically to promote overall well-being in various ways. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, cloves can help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Cloves' antimicrobial properties can also help protect against infections and support a healthy immune system. Furthermore, cloves' antioxidant properties can positively impact skin health, promoting a youthful complexion and protecting against damage from environmental factors like UV radiation and pollution. By incorporating cloves into your diet or skincare routine, you can harness the power of antioxidants to nourish your body from the inside out. In conclusion, antioxidants and cloves are a valuable asset in your quest for optimal health and well-being. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich spice buds into your daily routine, whether through cooking, teas, or supplements, you can harness their protective properties and support your body in staying healthy and vibrant. Embrace the antioxidant power of cloves and let them work their magic for you. Boosting immunity with cloves, enhancing your body's defense system. When it comes to fortifying your immune system and warding off illnesses, cloves emerge as a potent ally in your health arsenal. These aromatic spice buds are known for their rich flavor and remarkable ability to boost immunity and support the body's defense system. Let's explore how cloves can enhance your immune response and promote overall health. Cloves possess immune-boosting properties that can be attributed to their potent antimicrobial effects. The active compounds in cloves, such as eugenol and other essential oils, exhibit strong antimicrobial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Incorporating cloves into your diet or daily routine can can provide your body with a natural shield against pathogens and support a healthy immune system. Furthermore, cloves have been shown to impact the immune response positively. Their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the risk of infections and promote a robust immune defense. By supporting the body's ability to fight off pathogens, cloves can help prevent illnesses and keep your immune system in top shape. Thanks to their antimicrobial properties, cloves are particularly beneficial in preventing respiratory infections, such as colds and flu. The aromatic compounds in cloves can help clear congestion, soothe sore throats, and alleviate coughs, making them a valuable natural remedy for respiratory ailments. By incorporating cloves into your diet or using them in herbal teas, you can give your immune system an extra boost during cold and flu season. Cloves can prevent infections and promote overall health by supporting immune function. Their antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can weaken the immune system over time. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine gives your body the necessary nutrients and compounds to maintain a strong and resilient immune system. In conclusion, cloves are a versatile spice that not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also offers many health benefits, including boosting immunity and supporting the body's defense system. By harnessing the immune-boosting properties of cloves, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections, prevent illnesses, and promote overall well-being. Embrace the power of cloves as a natural immune booster, and let them help you stay healthy and vibrant. Health benefits of cloves, nature's multi-purpose spice. Cloves are not just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. They are a powerhouse of health benefits that can enhance your well-being, from improving digestion to providing pain relief and supporting respiratory health. Cloves offer many advantages to help you feel your best. Let's explore the diverse health benefits of consuming cloves and how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum impact. One of the cloves' key health benefits is their ability to improve digestion. Cloves are known for their carminative properties, which can help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. By stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, cloves can promote healthy digestion and prevent gastrointestinal discomfort. Incorporating cloves into your meals or consuming them as tea can aid digestion and support overall gut health. Thanks to their natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, cloves are also valued for their pain-relieving properties. Clove oil, in particular, has been used for centuries as a remedy for toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. The eugenol compound in cloves is a natural pain reliever that numbs the nerves and reduces inflammation. Cloves can relieve pain and discomfort, whether applied topically or consumed internally. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune conditions. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves help reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and support overall health. Incorporating cloves into your diet can help combat inflammation and promote a balanced immune response. To reap the maximum health benefits of cloves, consider creatively incorporating them into your daily meals. Add ground cloves to your morning oatmeal or smoothies for a warm and spicy flavor boost. Use whole cloves in soups, stews, and curries to infuse your dishes with their aromatic essence. You can also brew clove tea by steeping whole cloves in hot water for a soothing and digestive-friendly beverage. By incorporating cloves into your daily meals and routines, you can harness their natural healing properties and enhance your overall well-being. Embrace the health benefits of cloves as a natural and flavorful way to promote a healthier lifestyle. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cloves are rich in potent compounds such as eugenol and vitamin C. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you can give your body the extra support it needs to combat oxidative stress and stay healthy from the inside out. Regarding immunity, cloves shine as a natural immune booster with their antimicrobial properties and ability to strengthen the body's defense system. By including cloves in your meals or herbal remedies, you can fortify your immune response and protect yourself from common illnesses, especially during cold and flu season. The health benefits of cloves extend beyond antioxidants and immunity, encompassing improved digestion, pain relief, respiratory health, and anti-inflammatory effects. Whether you're looking to soothe digestive discomfort, alleviate pain, or reduce inflammation, cloves offer a holistic approach to supporting your body's well-being. As you embark on your journey to a healthier lifestyle, consider incorporating cloves into your daily meals and routines to reap the full spectrum of their health benefits. Whether you sprinkle them on your dishes, brew them into teas, or use them in topical applications, cloves can be a versatile and flavorful addition to your wellness regimen. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Like this video if you found it informative, and share it with your friends and family to spread the word about the fantastic benefits of cloves. Together, let's embark on a journey towards better health and well-being with the power of nature's hidden gem, cloves.